What up, YouTube? It's your boy Ryker Buff here with another video. Alright, now today I got a delivery. Of course, you know, Sling-Ons. Alright, so you know when you do a lot of accessories on your bikes, you added lights, you added music, you're going to need a stronger battery. So when along, I got this battery. It's the upgrade battery for on Can Am. I forgot the name of the Moto Bat. So we're going to install that. Because I got adding lights, I did my music already, I got the wheel lights, and I'm adding more accessories, so let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, I got the same thing on. You got the same thing on. It's the same day of the previous video. Alright? I ain't saying it's going to be another day. I ain't saying I'm going to change code, no reason to. It ain't been an hour. I just mess with you. But it's work gear, I just throw it on, you know what I'm saying? It's nice outside, so we're going to unbox this here joint right now. Need something to tear this open. Video going. So, gotta get you a battery up. Get you an upgraded battery. You don't want to be somewhere and get stuck. You know how when you get stuck, you up. Exactly. So we're gonna do this here like this. Cut this open. That open. I ain't want to wait till the last minute. Or this battery I have is not dead. It was weak over the winter, but I had used the surge protector. I mean the battery tender. But I don't want, because I'm adding stuff to it now, I don't want to be somewhere and get stuck. All of a sudden it go dead because if the power done finally caught up with it, and it go dead. Nah, I'm screwed. I don't want to do that. So what I do is nip it in the bud, get the battery, put it in, do it now. I'll be out hanging out, you be out riding, chilling, going to a bike show, a light show, bike night light show. You know, son, your drink go dead. I know that happens to a lot of people out there. I don't want to be one of those lot of people. You know what I'm saying? So here we go. You got the MBYZ 16 HD Moto Bat Quad Flex battery. And I believe this has 2 terminals. I got it on Sling-Ons. And I believe it was on sale when I saw the price. That's what made me just jump right on and buy. Yeah, I got 4 terminals. It's good. 2 positive, 2 negatives. Boom. Here we go. See that? 2 positives, 2 negatives. Quad Flex battery, MBYZ 16 HD. Alright, y'all? So go ahead and get you one. Negative is on that side, positive on that side. Okay, got the positive and negative. Okay, so it's gonna go in like this here. Alright, y'all. We're gonna do the install. And it gives you the hardware, which is perfect. Why don't I give you 2? There's 4 holes here. Because you can use the previous hardware in here too, I guess. Those nuts and bolts. Also. Alright, let's get this going. Get you a 10mm socket. Oh, that wasn't even tight. This way you're going to have everything on one terminal. I'm trying to see this over here, what I'm doing. Let me tilt this so y'all can, I don't know if you can see it or not. I can split up these terminals. Screws on them. I probably put this one up there. This is the ground line for the amp. See this one. got this crap like a strap on it. Let's see, that screwdriver. The strap is hard as ever to get on too. See if I can loosen this joint. Make sure you move all your wires out of the way. Everything around it all nice and neat. Now you gotta move it, but you don't want to pinch it. Alright, you got on here. You gotta release this here hook. I'm a freak that I did it before. Last I did. Don't know how. Whoa! See how tight that crap is? Almost bust my butt. I'm gonna slide this battery out easy. Make sure you take the screws out. This is Ryker shed. I don't even know if this was a brand new battery, because this is Ryker shed on it. Like this was a spare battery they had sitting around their shop. So I don't even know if the battery's new. The bike was brand new. So I hope they ain't screw me. Okay. Oh. And these little batteries be heavy too, boy. Damn. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to strap this sucker down first, and this, I hate, because it is a pain getting this sucker in. When I took it out my bike, in the winter and did it, I was like, I ain't taking this thing off no more. Take a flathead screwdriver, push it down in there, boom, snap it right on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is remove this, remove these caps. Okay, this was the positive, right? This was on here, and I put this one. It was already down here. I put this one on. This will go around this. And this, these are only two I'll leave on. These screws. Let me see, this should fit in here. This up here. Use that one up here like that. Okay. This was the ground, so I'm gonna leave this at the original spot, which is here. this one, and this one gonna stay here. And this is where I originally had those. So take this one, and I'll probably put this ammo up here too. Up there like that. Put that ammo in there, and then I run this too. This one's up here with this. Gotta go with that. This go with that. This one's here. Yeah, this one with that. So that's what we do. Okay. Let me connect the rest of these first. The amp ground. Let's connect the amp ground. With this ground. Connect these together. Those will be there. You can switch it around how you want it. Whatever's comfortable for you, I guess. It gives you 2 sets of nuts. I got this is a wash. If it's too big, I guess whatever.
Sometimes it's hard to find someone to trust. Being loved is good for you. Time to share this fortune and fame with someone else.
So there you have it, y'all. Got your battery installed. Upgrade for the Can Am Ryker. It's your boy Ryker Buff 900. Another video completed. Go get your battery from slingmars.com. Until the next video, ride safe, peace, I'm out.